everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am using a Mac and Grey Designs kit for the first time ever. I did enjoy using this kit, although I did find that I didn't have enough quarter boxes and things. I had to keep bringing them from other things and using my imagination a little bit more, but I wasn't mad at that. This kit is called Pumpkin Pie, and if you would like to see how it turned out, then just keep watching. Okay, so I went with a little bit of a different style of planning this week, which is why there was no video last week. I decided to start memory planning, and here you can see I am having a disaster time with my whiteout. I literally ordered some more the second I finished this video. So yeah, I started doing something different. I put my box a little bit higher this time, and I decided to only meal plan the home meals this week, and I have started PRing for Kimmy Create this week as well, and I also am an ambassador for Rogan Wolf, so I decided that I would track those two companies to make sure that I am posting enough for them. And I also decided not to cover up the Use My Flip at the bottom, the monthly view, hello, and I just put a water tracker there instead because you know I do not drink enough water, like ever. Okay, so I'm starting the week off with this beautiful autumnal wreath picture, and I'm putting the glitter headers on all of the top rows. These rounded corners have got to go. They are an absolute nightmare for people that can't line up properly. Hello, that's me. So as you can see, I've just been using post-it notes for my planning during this week and to make it a little bit easier for memory planning for me. I'm also using a different colour glitter header that came in the kit on top of each of the full box pictures. And this little folder is absolutely amazing. It's from Little Thoughts Store, and it holds your icon stickers, your sampler stickers and things like that, so it's really good to keep it all neat and tidy, and you can flick through it without having to pull all your stickers out and try and find what you need. So this sampler, I can't read it. I will list everything that I am using below, by the way. This was one of the Planner Friends sale samplers that I got with an order. And yep, here I'm trying to give my whiteout another shot, but it just will not work. The work sticker is from Happy Cutie Studio. And on this day it was the Harvest Festival, so we had to take some tinned foods into school on the morning, and they were taken down to a local shop and given to a food bank. I did the washing and the drying of the laundry, and again that tumble dryer is from the same sheet as the top stickers, and I will list that down below. And here we have a Your World of Colour dumbbell lifting unicorn, and that is to signify my workout that evening. I've been so bad, I've not been working out every night this week. I did a leg workout, I started off strong, and that's when I got chosen to be a PR girl for Kimmy Creates. It was actually last week that I got chosen, but I stuck it in there because obviously Monday, everybody knows that that's a day that you officially have to start things, so I popped it down there. And moving on to Tuesday, I was trying to decide how I was going to lay this out, and I chose this beautiful Starbucks coffee mug, and I'm sorry that you can see my mug there. That will happen a couple of times during this video because this girl cannot line stickers up straight. I am so sorry for the wobbling. My daughter decided to come up and start shaking the camera, and I was like, whoa, what's going on? What are you doing? And then a few minutes later you'll see that it happens again, and that's because my cat decided to come and do the same thing. So, you know. We had movie night on Tuesday night. It was my daughter's turn to choose the movie. She chose Spooky Buddies, which is about some puppies that... It's exactly the same as Hocus Pocus, but with puppies. Cheap imitation, let me just tell you that. I was so mortified. So I've got a little Starbucks mug there, even though it was Costa. Is it Costa? Costa. Get it right. That I had. Costa have brought out some drinks for the Dolce Gusto. There's my cat doing her wiggle thing. But they have brought out some Costa drinks for the Dolce Gusto, so I got some of those and I was happy.
Find a way, hey, and I'm dreaming. No need to show me how the reason. You can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
So Wednesday morning, it was open morning at school for parents that already had their children at the school, so we could see what work our kids were getting up to and how well they were doing and things like that. In the afternoon, it was also harvest assembly, so my daughter had like a little sentence that she had to say in assembly, and it was so cute. I got it on video, so lovely. And they were talking about all the harvest work that they've been doing this week. I put my black bin out because I need reminders about that, otherwise I just don't do it, and they get emptied every 2 weeks, so if you don't empty it when they're supposed to be emptied, then you're in trouble.
Living in a world overcome with greed, not what I want, got everything I need, and I'm working hard till the day I succeed, the day I succeed. Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say, believing I can find a way.
And I decided to go with this leaf here.
Man, no need to show me how the reason. You can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
I have got to say I love all the different colours in this kit. I would never have thought of putting this blue in, but it goes so well. And again, I did my second load of laundry this day. I did wash and dry it because I don't just wash it and then leave it. but you will see me add that sticker on later. They're from Georgina's Library are the wash, dry and iron laundry stickers. Then I'm using this Elizabeth Plans school photos. My daughter had her individual photo taken at school, and here I decided that nobody needs to see what I'm doing apparently, and I shot this bit out of camera frame.
But you can't have your cake and eat it too.
All I'm doing is putting the bottom washi on.
Work for is the thing that we obtain, yeah. And I don't understand why you always want to change the path. It's not having what you want, it's wanting what you have. I might not pop bottles in a nightclub or blow up the same way as Mike Stud. When life hits me in the face like a right snub, if you relate, it's alright, cuz.
And I'm just filling up the top there with a, what do you call that? To-do stickers? List stickers? I did a few jobs that morning. And here I realised that I hadn't marked that I went to work, so I had to do that. And that's when I did my second workout of the week, and that was upper body, and that were it for the whole week. I don't know what happened, but I didn't work out again after that. I painted my nails on Tuesday because I forgot to do it on Sunday. Lord, what happened this week? Let's move on to Friday. Oh, and by the way, that nope sticker, that day was absolutely horrible. Not the whole day, just the work part of the day was just absolutely horrible. I won't go into too much detail because I work in a school, but I just wasn't feeling it. And there you go, I did dry my laundry too. And then we have another, is it a checklist box? You know what I mean. And another work sticker from Happy Cutie Studio. And yes, I eventually ironed my laundry. I'm not one of those people that can do all three things in one day. My ironing pile has got to stare at me for at least 3 days before I actually tackle it. If you hadn't noticed yet, I do a lot of washing and drying. Even though there are only 3 of us in this house, we wear a lot of clothes. And it's actually Saturday today, so I filmed my plan with me, and I'm going to stick the edit next to it now because that's what I'm doing now. And that flat lay sticker, that planner flat lay sticker, is the same from the sampler as the first stickers. And I am going to film tomorrow Freya's cauldron unboxing that arrived today. And the film, edit and upload script stickers are from Oodle Madoodles, and they are ones that you can actually make yourself. So they're the custom script stickers. I am going to iron my pile of clothes again tomorrow because I don't want it to go through into Monday, because that just starts your week off horribly if you've got a big pile of clothes that you've got to iron. And here I'm just filling everything in. Oh yes, we went to Tropical World today as well, and we went to the park. Tropical World, if you don't live near me, is just a place that we go where they have like butterfly gardens and crocodiles and bats and meerkats and all these tropical animals and plants and things, and it's really good, but it is so hot in that building and they have to keep it really, really hot. And that was lots of fun, and then we took her to the park afterwards, which was lovely. And tomorrow I think I'm just going to try and chill out a little bit more. I've been very tired lately, and I felt like I haven't been able to catch up on my sleep for ages. So here I'm just putting the deco around on the top and on the bottom. No rhyme or reason, just shoving it anywhere. And that's how much of the kit I have used. Again, there's quite a little bit left. I have decided that I'm going to stop using those full boxes. I quite like how staggered this looks instead of full. I just wanna know. Yeah. And this is how my spread looks. Let me know if you like it, if you like the whole change. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. We gon' whip in that coupe, 100K counting, my views going up. I'm running this